Hello everybody. So here I am on camera. It's not it's not easy. But let's start. I bought the legacy program, the $900 one. It's got its own freedom machine in it. When you go for your shower, it works for you. When you go and eat lunch or have a nap after lunch, it works for you 24/7. If you go to the movies, it works for you. So why don't you want to buy that? If you work at your normal job, it works for you. You just have to throw out your ads so people can see you, but your freedom machine is on internet all over the world. Anybody can see it. So let's push for our first million. And I'm so scared of this camera on my face. So everybody can see my face. So I changed it a little bit. Can you see? Next time I'll show my real face. But for now, let's laugh a little bit. In in my bio is supposed to be the legacy website that you can buy from. But you know what? I haven't got it right to put it in some of um, the social pages like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. They're not the same, and I'm still struggling. So in Instagram, I think it show the website, but other places I just put it in different places. www.legacydailypaymarika.com. Me and my friend bought it together, and we're supposed to do our own ads. And yeah, let's push for our first million. My name is Susie, and my friend is Marika. We'll see you again very soon, perhaps with my normal face. But you know what? We're so scared of this camera, but anybody can do it. You can put any face on. But yeah, it's nice if we can see the person and trust the person. Yeah, but this is my first video. We'll do some more. Thank you for visiting, and you can really end your 9 to 5 rat race. And this thing, if you have Wi-Fi on your phone, you can do it on the beach. You can do it anywhere. You can move overseas, and you can still do this job. It follows you around. Not like a bad dream, but like a good dream. Let's do this. I haven't got my million yet, but I'm surely gonna try. Let's see. Ciao for now.